Hello, friends! How are you today? I hope you're doing very, very well. Today, we are going to see how the human body is built. Are you curious about what is inside our body? Today, we're going to learn about the human body with this cute children's puzzle. Are you ready, my friends? Let's go! Let's start our puzzle adventure. So, what do we do first, my friends? We are going to remove each piece of this human body puzzle, and we will discover the first layer, the skeleton. Look, friends, this is the first layer of our puzzle, the skeleton. The skeleton is made of bones. Look, friends, this is the skull. The skull protects our brain. Can you touch your head and say, "Hello, brain"? This is the spine. The spine helps us stand straight and tall. The spine is flexible, so we can bend and move our body. Did you know there are 33 bones in our spine? 7 bones in the neck, 12 bones in the back with the ribs, 5 bones in the lower back, and a tiny little bone at the bottom. This is the rib cage. The rib cage is a strong bone cage in our chest. It protects our heart and lungs. It's like a strong cage that keeps our organs safe. Did you know? We have 24 ribs. 12 ribs on the left side, 12 ribs on the right side. Did you know? Our rib cage can move a little when we breathe. These are the arms. The arms are made of many bones too. Did you know? The arm bones work together like a team. They help us move, lift, and grab things every day. And at the end of our arms are our hands. We use our hands every day to play, draw, and grab things. These are the legs. The legs are made of many bones too. The legs help us walk, run, jump, and play every day. And at the bottom of our legs are our feet. The feet help us balance and stand tall. Oh, I forgot. This is the pelvis. It is like a bridge. It connects the spine to the legs. Thanks to the pelvis, our legs can move, and we can stand, walk, and jump. The pelvis is strong and safe, keeping everything together. It also helps us stand, sit, and keep our balance. So, after we finish the skeleton, we will move to the next layer, the organs. Remember, we said the skull protects the brain. So, this is the brain. See? It's inside our skull, safe and protected. Let's put it in its place. The brain helps us think, learn, feel, and remember things. The next piece is the middle part of our body. As we said, this part is protected by the rib cage. So this is the right piece. Here we have the lungs and the heart. Now, let's put this piece in its place. The lungs help us breathe in and breathe out. They give our body the oxygen it needs to stay alive. So this is what the heart looks like. It's super strong, shaped like a fist, and works all the time, like a pump, pushing blood all around our body. So friends, this is the piece of the right hand, and this other piece is for the left hand. Now, we're going to see the organs in this part of the body. Here are the organs. Let's put them in their place. Here we have the small intestine, the large intestine, and the stomach. So, the stomach helps us break down the food we eat. It turns food into smaller pieces so our body can use it. The small intestine absorbs the nutrients from the food. This is how our body gets energy and things it needs to grow. And the large intestine takes the water out of the food we eat and helps make our waste ready to leave the body. So, some of the other important organs are: the liver helps clean our blood and stores energy for our body. The kidneys filter our blood and remove waste from our body. The bladder stores urine until we're ready to go to the bathroom. Now let's put the left leg piece in its place. And now, let's put the right leg piece in its place. Great job, my friends! We have seen all the organs, and now you know them too. After finishing the organs, do you know what comes next? Ooh, yes! It's the muscles! Muscles are soft parts inside our body. They help us move, run, jump, and even smile. Did you know we have a lot of muscles in our body? So which muscles protect this part of the body? Oh yes, it's the facial muscles. Our face has a lot of tiny muscles. These facial muscles help us smile, laugh, blink our eyes, and show our feelings and expressions. This is the middle part of our body. There are a lot of muscles here. These muscles help protect the heart and the lungs. They also help us breathe and move our upper body. We have arm muscles, like the biceps, in our arms. These muscles help us bend our arms, lift things, and be strong. Now, let's find the muscle piece for this part of the body. Yes, this is the right piece. These are the tummy muscles, also called abdominal muscles. They help us bend, turn our body, and sit up. Tummy muscles help us stand straight and keep our bodies strong and balanced. They also protect the organs inside our belly, like a soft shield. Next, this is another hand muscle for the left side. Let's put it in its place. Now let's look at the muscles of the legs. Do you know leg muscles are very powerful? We have quadriceps in the front of our thighs, adductors inside our legs, and many more. These muscles help us walk, run, jump, and stay balanced. Next, let's see the muscles of the feet. There are flexor and extensor muscles that help your feet move when you walk, run, or jump. Some muscles also help hold up the shape of your foot and keep you steady. Now, after we finish the muscles, let's add another layer that covers everything. Do you know what this layer is called? Yes, it's the skin! The skin covers and protects our whole body. It keeps us warm, safe, and helps us feel things like touch, hot, and cold. Now I'm going to take the puzzle piece of the head. The head is covered with skin and hair. Hair is not skin, but it grows out of the skin. So now, let's put the head in its place. Perfect! The head is in place. Now it's time to cover our body with skin. Let's start with the skin on the torso of our body. The skin covers our chest, back, and tummy. Let's put it in its place. Now let's cover our right arm, hand, and fingers with this arm skin piece. The skin on our arm, hand, and fingers protects the muscles and bones and helps us feel things like touch, hot, and cold. And now, let's put the left arm skin piece in place. Now we cover this part with the skin piece. So this piece is the skin on the leg. It covers and protects the muscles and bones of the leg, keeping them safe when you jump, run, or fall. So friends, we have covered our whole body with skin pieces. The skin protects all the muscles and bones of our body, keeping us safe and healthy. Oh friends, we forgot something. We forgot to put clothes on our puzzle character. Brr, it's a little cold. Should we dress our character? Okay, let's go. First, let's put the head part. Perfect. Now, let's cover the torso with a t-shirt. Here it is. This piece is for the right arm. Great! And now, let's put the left arm in its place. Next, we cover this part just like this. Nice job! Now let's put the right leg piece, just like that. And the last piece, the left leg. Great job, my friends! We dressed our character! Now we know what is inside our body. And we discovered each layer together. We saw the skeleton, the organs, the muscles, and the skin. Awesome, my friends! We did a great job! So, see you next time! Bye-bye, little champions!